workshop is very relevant because we, as a sector program, we try to foster the exchange between all colleagues that work in the area of tourism.
We have spoken about our experiences in different countries in implementing projects on tourism promotion and supporting rural development and the lives of local population.
I've been a very good reader of IDA community and the input of the others, but I didn't provide my input there, so from now on I will try to be a bit more active and use the experiences from the others as an insight for my everyday job.
It has been exciting, busy 2 days of intensive exchange and learning from each other. I'm very happy that at the end, we came with concrete conclusions about follow-up of our workshop. And in the meanwhile, we have identified modes how to increase our horizontal cooperation until our next meeting.